Hello everybody, it's Mo here. So let's get you started with building your first voice agent at Tixa. So first of all, a little tip with navigating around. You can just drag and drop with your mouse here. You can also zoom out and zoom in. Now next is the nodes, which is just basically little agents. Here is the node name, the description, which is useful for the system to know which node it should be on. I'll talk about that in later videos, but here is the important thing, which is the instructions of the start node. The start node is the node which the AI will always start on. So here, just test this agent really quick. You can do that from the debugger here. Now let's reset the agent. And as you can see here, it mentions, hello, I'm here to and ready to help you, which is going to follow the instructions that is mentioned here. Now to test out the voice, I can just press on this button, or I can also use this button here, start call. You can also mute from here. But here, let's wait a little bit, and as you can see, it's going to start the call. Hello, what's your name?
Hello. I'm an AI language model created by OpenAI. You're welcome. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free.
Right, as you can see, this is our first voice agent, which is also going to work with a text channel if you want. All right, now, as I mentioned, you can also just tell the AI what to do here, speak in French all the time. Now, as soon as I save here and then reset the agent, it's going to speak in French all the time. Here you go. Now, it was as easy as just changing the instructions here. All right, so far so good. So our agent now can follow instructions, but what if I have 1,000 documents at my company and I happen to need the AI to know about them? And this is exactly why we created the knowledge base, which is the brain for your agent. You can here have as many documents, either text, files, or even we can scrape out some web pages for you. This is what I'm going to do here. So let's actually add our landing page here. All right, so as you can see, it's just scraped our landing page, which has a lot of useful information about the features that we offer and the pricing, and even it scraped some images for the AI engine to use, and I'm going to talk about that in a second. But this is really useful information for the AI now to know about. Now let's get back to the Builder tab and open the debugger. Now let's reset the agent, and now let's see what response we'll have from it. And as you can see, it's able to get all of the information that we scraped from the website in a really cool manner, and this is the UI engine. We support text agents in addition to voice, and out of the box, you get a really interactive response from the AI. All right, so now let's test out the voice and see if it's able to retrieve some of the information that they got.
Hello, I'm delighted to have you here.
Hello, can you tell me more about the pricing?
Certainly. Tixa Agents offers flexible pricing plans to suit different needs. You can get started with a free plan that includes...
All right, does Tixa Agent support WhatsApp?
Yes, Tixa Agents does support deployment on WhatsApp. You can launch your AI agents on popular platforms.
All right, as you can see, we do actually support WhatsApp. We do support Google Chat as well, Discord. By the way, Google killed that, unfortunately. But yeah, this is really useful for just a few clicks. We now have a really good brain for the agent, and as I told you, you can have as many documents. You can have 1,000 documents here, and it's able to retrieve all of the information really accurately. Now, of course, there is more into this, into how to optimize the KB and how to create multiple nodes that work really well with each other. We'll talk about that in future videos, but this is the easiest way to get started with voice. Now, as a bonus, you also have the conversations tab, which will have all of the transcripts of the conversations. Of course, once you build out your agent, you can see all of the transcripts here, and I can listen to...
I'm delighted to have you here, and I'm ready to assist you.
Can you tell me more about the pricing?
Certainly.
Nice. So if I were to deploy this, and you can deploy this on your website or on a phone number, for the website, you can press on the deploy button on the top right here, and then you can paste this widget, which will have a chat box. Like this will show the chat box directly, which is this here. So if I press on this, this is just will show the chat box directly, or you can have the pop-up as well, which will show a little pop-up at the bottom right. Of course, you can have your custom CSS, or if you're a developer, you can also use the NPM package to just have the voice only if you only care about the voice. We also have extensive documentation if you are a developer at docs.tixagents.ai. You can check it out here. Now, what if I want to change the voice or some parameters in how the voice works? Now, this is where you go to the voice tab, and here there is all of the configurations for the transcriber, which converts the speech to text, and also the speech generator, which basically generates the speech. And we support a lot of providers out of the box. 11 Labs, Cartesia, all have different latencies and pricing. You can even have your own 11 Labs and Cartesia OpenAI accounts, and this will reduce the cost as well. You can also enable or disable background noise. You can do anything related to voice. This is the tab that you can go to and adjust. Of course, if you need to learn more about anything, this is just, again, scratching the surface. You can press on the send link, and it's going to explain all of the information about the speech configuration. You can connect to a phone number. You can either import your own Twilio number or buy a Twilio number from us. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll include a more detailed video for all the extra features that we have on the builder, like the tools, the variables, how to adjust the settings here, and how to build the best optimal agent using nodes and the canvas. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord or email support@textagents.ai. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much, and have a good day.